Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing very simple question in which the question is if the probability of event A occurring is zero point 0.6, what is the probability of the complement of the occurring? So in this question, we want to find the complement of it. So first of all, what we have given is that probability of A. Probability of A is given which is zero point 0.6, right? That given the probability of event A which is zero point 0.6, and we have to find the probability of A dash, that means the complement of A. So probability of A dash, which will be probability of PA. So 1 minus PA is zero point 0.6. So this will be zero point 0.4. So PA dash is equal to zero point 0.4. So here the probability which is zero point 0.4, which is the probability of complement of A. So very simple question. If you have another doubts or your questions, so you can contact us. And we have provided the solve homeworks also. If you have doubts or any other problems, you can contact us for this. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. And if you have related any query related to the studies, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.